Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Here I'm going to talk about financial planning. So that every business unit, whether it is industrial establishment, a trading concern, or a construction company, needs a funds for carrying on its activities of successfully. So it is required funds to require fixed asset like buying a machinery, equipment, furnitures, etc., and also to purchase a raw material and finished goods, and to pay its creditors, to its day-to-day expenses, and so on. So, in fact, availability of adequate finance is the most important factors for success in any business. So, one of the important that if you are cannot manage your finances as effectively, and you cannot get a success. So so proper planning is making your company as a long term purpose, survival in a long term purpose. So this financial planning is a requirement for a business, and day to day is too large, and no individual is in the position to provide the whole amount from his personal sources, so that so every businessman has to be very careful, not only assessing the firm's requirements of finance, but also in deciding on the form in which funds are raised and utilized. So required funds, not only that own fund, we are getting from the outside, so that a businessman has to depend on other sources, and use these various ways to raise the necessary amounts of funds. So what is financial planning? So planning is a systematic way of deciding about doing things in a purposeful manner. So when this approach is applied exclusively for financial matter, it is termed as a financial planning. Simply can say, so it is connection with any business enterprises. It refers to the process of estimating a firm's financial requirements and determining pattern of financing. It includes determining the objectives, policies, procedures, and programs to deal with financial activities. So that the financial planning involves uh, that estimating the amount of capital to be raised, and determining the pattern of financing, that is deciding the form of proportion of capital to be raised, and formulating financial policies and procedures for procurement, allocation, and effective utilizations of fund. So it is involving that estimating the amount of capital, and determining the pattern of financing, and formulating the financial policies and procedures. So it is we can see one definition of financial planning, and in simple words, financial planning can be defined as the process of estimating the capital required and determining its composition. It is the process of framing financial policies in relation to procurement, investment, and administration of funds of an enterprises. You can say another that is accounting. According to the Colin and Robin, financial planning should determine the financial resources required to meet the company's operating programs, and forecast the extent to which these requirements will be met, internal generation of funds, and extent to they will be met for external sources. So develop, establishment, and maintain a system of financial control governing the allocations and uses of funds. Formulate programs to provide most effect. So formulate programs to provide the most effective profit volume cost relationship, and analyze the financial results of operation report fact to the top management and they make recommendations on future operations of the firm. So financial planning is required for the we are making the planning for the collecting of amount and utilization of amount. So simply you can say a financial plan is a statement estimating the amount of capital requirements and the determining its composition. It also emphasizes on the following aspect: how much funds is required, when the fund is required, and how the funds should be raised and how to be use the funds. So all those things has comes under the financial planning. As you are the financial manager, you are going to plan for your business how much funds you are required for your business, and these funds how you are going to collect, either what are the mix of the capital structure, and how we are going to use these funds for your business operation. So what is objectives of financial planning? So we can say that determining capital requirements and determining capital structure and framing financial policies and financial resources. So these are the main objectives of financial planning. That first we can say that determining the capital structure. So that is, capital structure means it's a composition of capital, that is it's a mix of capital like equities, debentures, bonds, etc. So that is here the capital structure is the composition of the capital, that is the relative kinds of proportions of capital required in a business. So this includes decisions of debt to equity ratio, both short and long term purpose. So here you are determining your capital structure, whether you go for the equity shares or whether you go for the debt or a combination of these two. And you have to determine here that optimum capital structure, that is where the market value of the share is maximum and cost of capital is minimum. So that is also one of the important thing. Here we are determining the capital structure. And then we are determining the capital requirements, that is you are required for the capital for purchasing of long term asset and also short term asset. This long term asset is related to investment in a fixed asset like land and building, plant and machinery, furniture, etc. And short term asset, short term capital is required for the day to day operations like working capital management. Your for buying a raw material, giving a salary. So for that purpose you are required a short term capital. So you have to determine the long term capital and also short term capital. And and then after that you are required to capital and capital structure determined, and you need to determine that financial policies, that is with regards to cash control, lending and borrowings, etc. And here you are framing the financial policies and how what are the policies you are going to adopt and how we are going to control the cash, and how we are going to buy sources of funds, and how we are going to lend and borrowing. So all the policies are framing this stage, that is you are framing here. That is also one of the main objectives of financial plan. And then you are determining the financial resources, that a finance manager ensure that the scans financial resources are maximally utilized in the best possible manner at least cost in order to get the maximum return on investment. So here whatever resources, financial resources is there, and you have to use these resources for your business for effective utilization of these returns, that these resources for the returns. So once if you use these resources in a better way, only can make your business is survival and getting your profit. So that this is also one of the important thing. That is one of the objectives of financial plan, we can say. So that financial plan is mainly required for the business smooth running of business and long term survival of the business. So it is required for the fixed asset and also short term asset. And fixed asset decisions like investment decision related to long term and short term. And also here, after you are decided that, and you are going to choose the capital structure, that is you are going to choose the optimum capital structure for your business, and then you are making the policies. So you can say these are the some importance of objectives of financial planning. Thank you.